To access your forms, just go ahead and click the Forms link in the navigation menu. Here you have three types of forms. The pop-up form will show after a certain amount of time or when your website visitor scrolls to a certain part of your page. Also, you can have it pop up when he or she is trying to leave the specific page, the specific tab in their browser. The embedded form you can put in your blog posts or in the sidebar of your website, and it is GDPR friendly, just like the pop-ups. Then we have the promotional pop-ups, which are a little different because they don't have a subscription field and are mostly used to catch your visitors' attention. Now let's go ahead and look at some of these form builders. So after you choose your template, I'm going to go with this one here. You can of course edit all the colors, all the images here to your liking, but I just wanted to show you something really cool because each one of these forms has its own superpowers. So this is a bar at the bottom. You can have it also be at the top, bottom right corner, left, full screen, to the left, to the right, and there are also blocks you can use within these pop-ups. For example, a countdown, social links, etc., etc. Then we have the embed form, which is a little different because, like I said, you put it on your website. The cool thing about this is how it will look. You can see it in the preview, very simple. You can of course change the colors, but if you copy this link, you can share it with someone and then use it like a little mini landing page. You can add that link, for example, to your button on Facebook, for example, a subscribe button. Someone clicks that button and they will get this full screen little mini form. Then we have the promotional pop-ups. And I'm not going to go deeper into these because I go deep into every single one of these forms in other videos, but just for a quick overview, let's go ahead and look at these. This is the mystery sales pop-up. Then we have the survey pop-up, which is really cool, a survey and a pop-up. Then we have the countdown pop-up. Then we have a special offer, the product pop-up. A download mobile app pop-up. It invites your website visitors to download your app or join your event, like a webinar. Then we have a like us on Facebook. It's the social pop-up. You can use Facebook or other social networks, of course. Then we have a scheduled maintenance. This is just some important notice you want on your website. And then sometimes, for the holiday season, for example, we have other types of pop-ups in the promotional pop-ups tab. And that's pretty much it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Please click subscribe, use the little bell icon. You can also catch us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course use the little subscribe link in the description to sign up to our newsletter. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.